If you want to learn how to make this basket out of paper, follow along with me. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. The supplies you'll need are paper. I bought this roll from my local hardware store, plastic wrap, a glue gun, scissors, and a bowl that is the same size of the basket you'd like to make. The first step is to cut out 3 long strips of paper. To do this, I'm rolling the paper first and then cutting into thirds. The next step is to twist each strip of paper to kind of make it look like a vine. The third step is to glue the ends together and braid the paper. And glue the ends once again. Now, depending on how big your bowl is, you may have to make several of these. In my case, I wanted to make a bigger basket, so I made 4 of these paper braids. You also need an extra piece for the handles. The next step is to flip the bowl and cover the outside of the bowl with plastic wrap. Tightly coil the braid and glue as you go. the shape of the bowl and continue this process. Be sure to add plenty of glue. This makes for a sturdier basket. When you get to the end of a braid, add lots of glue to keep it in place. Then, glue the next piece together. The next step is to remove the bowl and plastic wrap. The last step is to make handles. Cut 2 short pieces and glue them to the inside of the sides of the basket. And this is the finished product. I think it came out so good, and not to mention so inexpensive to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.